All right, what's up, guys? So in today's story, we have Lil Yachty and his own social token. So apparently, this token sold out in 21 minutes. It was hosted by Fuse, and apparently, if you bought it, you got access to a signed poster, surprise box full of random stuff of Lil Yachty's personal life, and a virtual party where you could hang out with Lil Yachty and his friends. So this sold out in 21 minutes, and it generated $276,000 in 21 minutes. Now, obviously, this token doesn't have much use case aside from the little exclusive stuff you get with it. But it's a great way for artists and gamers and internet influencers to get new streams of income. Apparently, this company also did the same thing with Christian vocal trio Selah and Ja Rule, if anyone still listens to him. So yeah, this is what the company does. They say we're at the forefront of new type of economic relationships between artists, actors, athletes, gamers, and influencers to engage their fans. Now, in my opinion, this seems a lot more like what Patreon has done with their tokens and how they help YouTubers and internet influencers monetize their audience. Doesn't seem much different other than you have a cryptocurrency now to back it. Um, but yeah, he made $276,000 in 21 minutes. It's a very smart move on his behalf. Um, in my opinion, this token won't be relevant 5 years from now, obviously, because it doesn't have much use case. But you could imagine, if someone like Drake or Kanye did the same thing and they got their own social token, that would dramatically increase and speed up the rate of adoption that we're seeing in crypto already. So I think this is a win-win for Lil Yachty, for the company, and also for cryptocurrency as a whole, because it's just the beginning of the mainstream adoption that's about to come in through, partnering up with influencers and getting the average Joe involved in it. So what do you guys think about this token? Was it more of a get rich quick kind of scheme by Lil Yachty? Would you buy the token? Do you think it's worth it? Um, Let me know what you guys think. Obviously, I have the opinion. I think that this token is useless, like I said, apart from the benefits that you get. But you can imagine if a company like OnlyFans started to do the same thing where they monetize, the top 1% OnlyFan creators, and then they drop like an exclusive NFT or something like that. That could start driving the price up a lot more. So I think there's definitely a future with the digital asset side of this and the creator side of this. But let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching.